Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a magnetic gray metallic 2009 Toyota Camry SE, stock number 17G949B. This is in excellent shape. I do not see any noticeable scratches. There is an alloy rim, and that is wrapped in a 17-inch Advanta tire. Inside there is a power sunroof, and then you have a gray cloth upholstery, and that's in fantastic condition. There is seating for 2 in the front row, and you have seating for 3 in the second row, making this a 5-passenger Camry. We'll take a quick look down the passenger side. And the reason that I'm showing you this Toyota today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. On the driver's side door, you have your usual power amenities. There are power lumbar adjustments. To the left of the steering wheel, you have audio controls. And then back behind here on the right side, you have your cruise control. There is a CD player along with an AM/FM radio. Underneath of that, you have your climate controls. This is a 5-speed automatic transmission. Your engine is a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, which in highway mileage gets you around 31 miles per gallon. If you'd like to get more information on this Toyota or to schedule your test drive, visit us at holidayautomotive.com. We will also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.